Greetings to you all over the world, wherever you're seeing this video from. My name is Okoyemi Olutu, and I'm still here to give you updates as you know. Now, I am sharing this screen so that you can see that some of the information that we share are information that are probably that we subscribe to, that I subscribe to. And okay, now this is one of the New Zealand uh, recruitment website that I subscribe to, and I had loads of jobs here, loads of jobs here, and most of the jobs here are jobs for nanny, jobs for caregiver, for jobs for helper, jobs for babysitter, jobs for care reliever. Let's take it from the beginning and let's watch. And this the first one is professional nanny, Murray's Bay, Auckland, and this is in New Zealand. You can see NZ nannies. That's New Zealand nannies. Now you can see another one, profitable tradie, Hamilton, North Island, is also New Zealand. All of the information here are New Zealand. You can see babysitter wanted in Auckland, babysitting Auckland. You see, it's also in now after school helper for nanny. You can see that after school, you can see you get 25 to $27 per hour. Now let's look forward. You will see Auckland, Rock My Baby, all these places, New Zealand. You can see this child care expert suitable for students. So for students in New Zealand. Now, in the midst of all of this, two things I want you to observe. Now, number one, there are two ways to come into this place. It's either you come in as a student or you come in um, through work by getting a job that is through sponsorship. Now, I've made a video on how to get sponsorship, or I mean, how to do uh, trade or job assessment to New Zealand. It's a step-by-step guide to New Zealand. I'm going to attach the video, the necessary videos to this particular video. Just check the description space. Now, I don't want you to be a victim of I'm just saying information and I don't know what to do next. No, what you do next has been shared with you. What you have to do is to look for the link and click on it. The video I did for New Zealand trade and skill assessment, I put the link there for you to have your skill assessed. I did a step-by-step guide that will guide you into New Zealand journey. A lot of people did not watch that video, they don't look into it. Even if you look into it, how many people have taken the steps? I prefer to hear or to get comments like I've started the journey, I'm at this process, I'm waiting for feedback from those I've submitted to. Okay, I'm at the payment stage, I don't know how to go about it. Those are the things you need to give update about. Don't let us just get information and be quiet about it. So here is either you gain admission, is either you go into New Zealand as a student, which I believe will be quite very comfortable. Let me say comfortable now. It will be easier to go into any country as a student. And I can tell you that New Zealand is not limiting students from bringing in their dependents. No, New Zealand is still accepting everybody. Everybody can come into New Zealand. So if you can go in and as a student, check the schools. Check schools that have smaller tuitions that you can go in through, and to make the journey better. A lot of people come to the UK through study so that they can after study stay back. You can also look into the financial implication and make that process, or do the skill assessment. You're a fashion designer, you're a trader, you're whatever. You can do all of those assessments to get into New Zealand. Or you can search just like this. I'm going to drop this link, any of this link here to this channel as well, to this video. And then you can click any of it and get jobs and hear what they have to say. hear their feedback. As long as you have your CV ready, you have the information they need ready, just gather all those information ready and click on this link and just apply and see their feedback. You can't be tired. You might have tried other places, but you have to keep doing these things. Now, look at this childcare expert that's suitable for students. This Orkis Bay, Napier, caregiver, you can see full time, permanent. Imagine. Now, family home reliever, that's another one. Social, sorry, I just back. Social care, social worker, caregiver. You can see New Zealand. You can see family home reliever, qualified. Okay, early childhood teacher. That's also another one. Teacher for kindergarten, daycare coordinator, support worker. You can see childcare and many other jobs that are available in New Zealand. So many of them. Now I'm going to look at one now and let's see what's up. No, let's check this caregiver full time now. Let's check what's up with them. Now look at this now. It says, what's this? I don't want the app. Come on. I don't want the app. Caregiver. Let's check again. Okay, so now I don't want this app now. What's going on? Okay, so let's continue from here. Now it says, are you a creative and caring person who loves to help and motivate others? Bruce Malarin in retirement village as an opportunity for you. You have to creative, you have to be creative, varied and rewarding work, fun, friendly and supportive team environments, ongoing training and development opportunity. Now, what do you have to bring to the table? Let's check this. You will have level 3 health and well-being qualification or studying the qualification table experience. Have empathy for the elderly and be dedicated to making our village a wonderful place to live. Now, this is just the work of a healthcare caregiver, and we've talked about it severally. I've mentioned it on my video, on my page before that, where you can get the skills, the courses you can do online, what you can do, the information you need for any interview that comes with caregiving. Everything is on my YouTube channel. You can just check through. Now, responsibility. Okay, now you will earn $27 to $29 per hour based on your qualification. Now, responsibility here, you perform care and personal needs assistance in the care plan and under the direction of a registered nurse. You can see it is just like every other caregiving work. Observing and reporting immediately to the registered nurse or senior any change in the resident status or behavior. You can see it's just a caregiving job. We provide full orientation with the organization. Now you have training and all of that things to do. So you can see it's not so much. And what do you need to apply for this job? It's just you can use your WAEC to get this job. A caregiver job is you can get a caregiver job with as low as your WAEC. As long as you have your English and maths, you can get an. Then you prepare your CV. Those are the things they need. You have your passport ready. So please don't just hear information and just ignore it. Act. Just act on this. I don't know why I'm sounding so harsh today, but I'm not encouraged with people not acting on information. You get information. Now act. Please act on this. New Zealand got several space. I'm going to look at one more space here, or one more job here. Let me look at a permanent job here. Another permanent job. Let me see another permanent job here. Okay, so let me do this child care. This is actually a part-time one. Now, what are you doing? I'm looking for someone to provide care and support for my gorgeous 16-year-old daughter who has special needs. She is social, friendly, and mobile. She loves music, dancing, the mall, and jumping in putties. The child is not even having maybe, I don't know, but I don't think there is any other just special needs reason best known to the. So help her off the taxi after school, getting change, snacks, having fun, going to mall, park, dinner, and preparations for bed. Just like taking care of your child. This is what it looks like, and this is what it is. Babysitting, experience special needs will be great, but not essential. So you can, all of the information you need here has been shared. Preferably have a full driver's license and vehicle mileage paid. If you have vehicle, that's if it's preferable. But it doesn't mean you cannot. At least if there's a vehicle, they will not say you help her off the taxi after school, those things. So it's not give trial to all this work. Just give trial to it. If you have somebody in New Zealand, please you can share with them more. I think New Zealand is a place that a lot of people have to even embrace now. There are jobs there. I keep getting their daily jobs every time. So I don't want you guys to sleep on this. This is a new year. Let's act fast on this. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. If I'm sounding so out here, it's because I need you to take action. I don't want to be dropping information. I want to be hearing that, okay, from the information you've gotten from this YouTube channel, you've been able to follow this process and you'll be able to attain this height. You've been able to relocate. Yes, that's what I want to hear. It's beyond the subscription for me. I want to hear the personal. The reason for this channel in the first place is to help people relocate to their different destinations. So please, guys, act on these videos and just move. And I pray that God will make everything work out in accordance to His will for you. Amen. See you again in my next video. Bye.